Hello everyone, today's story topic is Raman's Fear for Humpback. Uh, the Raman who was to be executed by the guards had outwitted them and managed to survive. The guards took him back to the king for further instruction. King Krishnadevaraya was annoyed to see Ramans again. He seems to be clever. Do one thing, said the king to the guards, bury him neck deep in the soil, so that he cannot know that have him crushed by an elephant. The guards took Raman to the outskirts of the city. One of them kept a watch on Raman as the other dug for deep stench, but they pushed Raman into the ditch and filled it tight with the soil. Raman was thus pinned to the ground. Only his head was visible above the ground. Now you can pray to Kalima. Will go and get the elephants, said that guards, and they left. They had no fear of Raman running away as he was buried neck deep. But Raman was not worried. Help will come soon, he said to himself. Soon help did arrive. A washerman came that way, carrying on his back a bundle of washed and pressed clothes. He had hung back with the back bent. He could see the ground effortlessly. He was startled to see a head on the ground. Amazing, this man has only head to trunk and no limbs. Getting curious, he went near Raman. He said, Raman is greeting. The washerman was startled to hear sound coming from the head without a trunk or limbs. Scared, he stepped back. No doubt you are surprised to see me like this. Raman said, don't be scared. I am also a washerman like you. Does it really work? Asked the washerman eagerly. He was also looking for a remedy for his back. He said it worked for him. The remedy was suggested to him by a wandering fakir, said Raman. He is worked for you, asked the washerman and doubtfully. I have been buried this way for more than 12 hours. My wife will be here and moment to pull me up. She seems to be delayed, said Raman. Thank you.